Hi guys, it's me Laura. Welcome to Period Queen. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you what is in my period sports kit for school, because basically we have sport and I just put this in my sports bag because my locker is quite far from the sports stadium where we do sports, so I just thought I would have some things in case a friend needs them. So I just wanted to say I'm so sorry for not uploading last week. I completely forgot. I remembered on Monday that I needed to film and upload, but I couldn't because we're going out, so I'm really sorry. I will try and upload every other week though, so I'm so sorry. The other girl hasn't been uploading as well. I'm sure she'll upload soon. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you what's in here, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to open it, and I will tell you what everything is. And all these products are Australian. I do have some American products, but they're not in here. So the first thing that's in here, I'll show you the liners first. Okay, so there's 4 liners in here. There's 2 of the U by Codex Designer Series liners. There's one Libra dry long, I'm not sure, and then there's one Libra long, no, this is regular unwrapped. So the liners. Okay, so now for pads, there's just 3 pads in here. There's the Stay Free Ultra Thin Light with Wings. There's the U by Codex Ultra Thin Sport Regular with Wings, and then these the Libra Girl regular with wings. So yeah, that's what's in here. So please comment down below if you have any further video suggestions. Hit the big red shiny subscribe button and feel free to message us on Instagram or anything if you need help with anything. We will definitely be there for you. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.